Still no retwists. I can't wait till they get longer. If I had to do locks again, because I feel like I've been overindulging. It is the morning time. I just washed my hair. I am about to, my stomach, I've been having like stomach problems. So I'm going to drink some of this. Let me show you guys. There's nothing in the refrigerator. Right here. Ginger Soother. Have you had this? It is so good. I got mine from Sprouts. And you can drink it hot or cold. It's really, really good. So I'm going to heat some of this up and then go and do my hair. I am here for a, I think 39th month lock update. So I will be sharing with you guys what's going on with my locks. All right, I got my tea. It is piping hot. I don't know if I told you, it only has 3 ingredients. It's ginger, honey, and lemon, and it is just superb. Okay. Too hot to drink right now. But anyway, all right, so let's look at these locks here. This is 3 years. So I just washed it in the shower. So I washed it a week ago, last Sunday. And generally I can go 2 weeks if I really, really wanted to. But this time it was itching so bad. And I think it's because I didn't do a good wash last week. Last week I washed it in the sink, in the kitchen sink. So what I'm realizing now is as they get longer, I'm going to have to stay washing them in the shower. That's the only way I can get a really good wash. So, ooh, I have a black shirt on. You know what? I'll put my hands right here because I wanted you to see the length, me pulling it forward. So there's that. And then, oh, sorry, you guys, I shouldn't have wore a black shirt. Let me put my towel back on so then that way you can see. But that's really the only major difference or things that I'm noticing, right? Like, okay, I have to wash in the shower. They're getting longer, so I always have to, you know, kind of keep them out of my face if I don't have a headband on or anything. Anyway, all right, and let's see. So here we go. There's that, and then the back, if you can see where we are. We are growing. I just feel like now it's just growth. It's just growth, growth, growth. I turn around. I get up some days and I swear I look and I'm like, wow, how did they get down there, right? They grow so fast. So anyway, I am going to do my braids. I've been back on like the 3-strand braid or whatever. Still no retwists, but oh my gosh, I don't know. I might do one soon. I know I keep saying that. I might do one soon. And if I do, of course, you guys will see it. But right now, it's just super quick. I'm about to braid it up. It literally takes me about 35 minutes. And I will be, I'll be done. Shoot, am I running out of my spray? Same stuff. Oh, I still use my Head and Shoulders. This time I have like the tea tree one. It's really, really good. Let me show you real quick. So this is what I use today along with my Giovanni tea tree. This smells good. And I feel like it's okay. Like, I know it's a conditioner. We really don't use conditioners on locks, but this one is good. You know, I just make sure I rinse. I don't use anything else on my hair except for like oils and things. So I'm not afraid of any buildup. They're not heavy at all. Yeah. So we're doing good. All right, let's braid up, and I'll see you later. All right, I'm almost done. I'm on like my last 2 braids, and what I'm sitting here thinking is I have to do a retwist soon. I have to do a retwist soon because if I don't, it's just gonna be like a mess. I don't pop them as much as I should. So of course they're going to start to, you know, like not interlock. I don't know if that's the word or not, but I just need to pop them, right? I need to pop them, or I need to just do a retwist. So I'm gonna have to do one soon. So stay tuned for that. But I am on my last one. Yeah, second to last one. And then I'll wear this up tomorrow. No, today I don't think I'm going anywhere. If I go anywhere, it'll be to the grocery store, and I'll just wear it down. Tomorrow I'll put it up in a bun for work or whatever. And then Tuesday I will take it out. I don't know if you guys saw my last video. I was telling you how you wear these updos, and then after a few days they start to act up, like they don't want to be in an updo anymore. So this will only be oh my gosh, did I miss one? Oof. I feel like, let me see one. Okay. Let me figure this out. Okay, I'll see you in a minute, bye. Okay, I'm done. Like I said, did I get them all? I can't wait till they get longer to where I can wear them braided like this and just, I love it like this. I love that. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 of these. I can't wait till they get longer, and I will just wear it braided up for days, right? No ponytail, just, I love this. I love this. If I had to do locks again, I would probably make mine thicker. Like, you know, I like the size right now, but if I had to do it again, I would make them thicker. Not doing that anytime soon, though. And not thinking about combining anytime soon, but just, you know, I would make them thicker because I love the, I don't know. But then if I made them thicker, I wouldn't be able to do my braids. And I like this style. I like how this style is. Anyway, I don't know. I'm just rambling. Bye. I'll see you later. Bye. Good morning. I hope it's not too dark. Okay. Look at my hair. Let's go in the bathroom. Let's see. Okay. So here is my hair for the day. Same old, but I did it kind of loose because I did not want my head to be hurting. But anyway, this will be coming down tomorrow because I just, you know, it's, number one, it's going to act up and I ain't going to do this tomorrow. And number two, I just like it loose better, like down, like I don't have any tension on my hair. So that's that. Let me show you my outfit really, really quickly. So this shirt is a cute little, look at that. Open a book and grow your mind. The jeans are, oh, my shoes that way. These are from H&M. They're like really, really mom jeans. Look how big they look. My shoes, which you've seen before. My sweater's from H&M. I'm whispering because people are upstairs asleep, so yeah. Anyway, So you know how yesterday I was telling you guys that my stomach was like bothering me? Well, it feels better this morning. And it felt better all day yesterday too. And that was because I pretty much ate clean. Yesterday I had a smoothie bowl, and then I had just like some popcorn, like kind of like plain popcorn. I think it's by Skinny Pop. And then I had, for dinner, I had salmon with some potatoes that I made, right? So my body is telling me like, look girl, because I feel like I've been overindulging. Like last week, it was just cookies and just too much stuff. So anyway, so my body is like, girl, you have to eat clean. Otherwise, it's not going to be fun for you. So today, I'm eating clean. I'm going to show you. And I'm not too bad. Like, I'm good. I call myself what they say flexitarian, right? So sometimes I'll do vegan, sometimes I'll do fish, sometimes I'll do chicken. Like I have all of those within my diet, and that's fine. Of course, I try to get organic, you know, chicken and fish and all that stuff. But anyway, like last week I was having like processed food, so cookies and cupcakes and stuff, because you know it's the holidays, so people tend to eat worse. But I can't do it. And I'm about to go on vacation to Florida, like for Christmas. We're going to Disney World. But I gotta do right.